Ma'am, diba dalawang araw na po tayo
Yes.
dito. So, kamusta po yung ginagawang operation ng DFP po namin?
Yes. Sa ngayon po, wala pa po tayong operation stop muna. For the meantime, yung ating rescue and retrieval. But we are conducting thermal scanning for signs of life dun sa ating 4 quadrants, yung 1, 2, 3, and 4, to make sure po talaga na kung sakasakaling meron pa tayong signs of life ay mapuntahan pa natin. But as of now, yung 4 po natin na mayroon tayong visibility and confirmed na victims ay nailabas po natin. Fortunately, lahat po sila ay declared dead na po ng ating DOH. So, yung po ating dating 47 na existing po na bilang sa manifest po natin, 26 na po doon ang nakauwi sa families nila. And then 17 na lang po yung ating missing, 4 is dead, and wala na po tayong ongoing retrieval or rescue operation as of this moment. So, what will make this game change or this operation is that after ng ating thermal scanning, using our thermal scanner and the K9 dogs of different organization, the MMDA Dog Association from the Philippine Army, the SRF na K9. So, it's another game changer. So, meaning, pag may nakita pa tayong buhay ulit, we will continue our rescue operation. And when wala na po talaga tayong signs of life, but madedetect po siya ng ating mga sniffing dogs na intended for those dead victims. Kasi magkaiba po yan eh. Yung K9 pang detect sa alive, and then K9 for those dead bodies. So, once magkaroon na po ng clearance, mapagpaalam natin sa ating responsible officer, kay Mayor, and all the members of the ICP, yung mga respective heads, para makakuha tayo ng clearance for the retrieval of operations, then that would be the time na mag-start na po tayo ng retrieval. Kasi po, ang tinitingnan natin dito is that kapag nagkaroon tayo agad ng early decision, baka po kasi meron pa pala tayong victims sa loob na possible pang buhay. Kaya dapat nagiging maingat po kami ngayon.